Welcome to This Is. You are looking at the newly appointed co-CEOs
Yes, sir.
of every gaming company.
We have heard your complaints, and as the newly minted CEOs, and Kinsey is our sole board member, we're gonna solve the problems in the gaming industry. Because here's the thing, we have been talking ad nauseum about how terrible everything is. But you know what? It's easy to be a critic. It's hard to be a solver. So today, we're gonna solve all the problems for some of your favorite gaming companies, including Xbox, Nintendo, PlayStation, Valve, and Matt has dressed for the occasion.
You can only make one first impression.
And this is the one you chose.
And I completely forgot how to tie a tie. We are businessmen.
He went to CEO school. He learned all the big words.
I do.
What's thingamajig mean?
The gizmo that you sprocket.
The way we're gonna do this is that we're gonna pick each company and we have to agree on all the problems and the decisions, but by the end of it, we have to have Kinsey to stamp our decisions whether or not the board approves. Which company do you want to start with? Because we're co-CEOs.
We're gonna go with Nintendo.
Great. Okay.
Yes.
So what are the problems with Nintendo? Because I think everything's perfect. I think if I look at the overall ecosystem,
I motion to shut it down.
What the wait?
Shut it down.
That's not the way it works.
Strip it for parts. I got a couple VCs who are interested in the IPs. We can make a hefty return on our investment.
This is why you need two CEOs.
A mere 3 months.
What are the problems you're seeing with our beautiful Nintendo company? We have over 100 years of heritage. We've got ourselves some record-breaking profitable movies. We've got games that are going up in price and in profits. I think that our business is in perfect shape. What is your problem with Nintendo, our beloved company?
We as a company have a moral responsibility.
Yes, no, what? No, we're a company. We don't have that.
To our consumer base.
No, shareholders. We have a fiduciary duty to the shareholders. What are you talking about?
But is not our customer a shareholder at heart?
No.
Is Nintendo publicly traded?
Well, they won't be after I'm done with them. So from here on now, I will be Rick the hamster. Yeah, I'm not Doug Bowser.
Oh, because there's no longer Doug Bowser running Nintendo.
So
Which is why we've taken over.
I am now Rick the hamster. What we're gonna do as Nintendo, we are going to fix Nintendo Online. While people love the $20 a year model, we are going to increase that to $40 a year. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add built-in voice and chat.
Sorry, you've forgotten all about, we used to do this with the Nintendo DS. Everyone just kept yelling slurs at each other.
It is everyone's God-given right to yell a slur at another gamer. Here's the problem with capitalism.
No, we're CEOs. We can't have problems with capitalism. We are the peak apex predator.
I'm a capitalist for the people. I'm the one making the guillotines for you to use on the other capitalists. As a ethical capitalist, I think that we are gonna make more money by making a good product.
Well, wait, no, hold on. Wait, you might be cooking on that.
Yeah.
Good product. Okay, tell me more. What if we give you like Nintendo coins that you can only spend at our Nintendo stores? Nintendorbs.
Nintendo. Why would they not just be the coins from Mario? Here's how we're gonna inshify your favorite game to make money. From now, Super Smash Brothers, every unlockable character is behind a paywall.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
You could technically earn all of them if you played 12 hours a day for 9 years.
There we go. That's the kind of
Or you can unlock all of them right now for $25.99 a minute. It's really easy to be a CEO, guys.
No, this is good. This is good. No,
this is not good.
This is good. We're the CEOs. We need to bring more to the shareholders. We're trying to fix this. How about hardware? Because I know that there's a lot of speculation.
My next proposal is that we bring out hardware that's from this decade.
The Switch 2 is a cutting edge piece of technology. We're so proud of it. The people love it.
Okay. You can't compare it to stuff we've made that's also been a decade behind.
Look, I have so many charts, graphs, and organizational charts graphs that tell me that the kids love the Switch 2.
I have a graph I'd like to show you, and it's called the survivor biased.
I think that the Switch 2 is a unqualified success. The only problem is we're not charging enough for them. We need to raise the price $100 to cover our, of course, very extensive marketing and tariff fees and everything like that.
But we just got that refund for the tariffs.
Oh no,
Shouldn't we put that back to the people?
We didn't get that actually yet.
We got it.
Oh, we did?
Oh, bonuses.
Oh, hey, let's
Bonuses.
go. Can we get the board approval? Can we get a little bonus action? We've been really good CEOs.
Can we just make like another Pokopia?
No, we can't do that because that would require us to hire more developers.
Let me put on my serious hat for
Okay.
it. What I think that Nintendo actually needs to do. They need to improve online.
I agree.
Like that experience has been so terrible for so long.
People love game share and game chat.
Most of our
I tried.
audience just goes, "Wait, is that actually a thing?" I don't understand how it's just been so bad for so long. I don't like that they keep reselling you the same thing every year after year, and I don't mean that hyperbole. I mean that literally.
Well-
How long has the Switch 2 been out?
Almost a year.
Almost a year, and
yeah.
I would say that they have 2 actual solid games. The difference is between us as Nintendo. Remember, we're Nintendo CEOs in this scenario.
exactly who we are.
Is that we're saying, oh, we're pretty much mostly first-party games. Well, a banger-ass third-party game comes
We're
out.
Nintendo. We don't say words like that.
A banger Yoshi
Took us is acceptable.
we're reliant on our first-party thing selling, and so if we are not putting out good first-party games,
Yeah.
well, then
I
what
agree.
are we doing?
We can allocate some budget, I think seems pretty reasonable, to getting some more third-party developers on board. That seems reasonable.
But
We'll get
they're-
some Baldur's Gate action out here. I don't
But
think
Baldur's
Larian-
Gate has boobs, so we can't have it.
I think the thing is, if we're Nintendo, we should own the handheld space. So we should be aggressive in courting developers to come over to the platform to make the Switch not only a great place to play our first-party IP, of course, the best in the world, but we should also enable other people, such as the Call of Duties of the world. And yes, the smut peddlers over at Larian Studios with their foul, disgusting games where you get to romance the Emperor. We will thoroughly test it to make sure that little Timmy learns a lot. I think, no, it's fine because we're Nintendo. People know that they see Mario on the box, they're getting something family friendly. For all those sick perverts who want to play other games that aren't from our company, we'll take their money.
It's like Blockbuster. Blockbuster would, said, we're going to take the moral high ground and we will not rent you porn, but we will absolutely f you with late fees.
Wait, hold on. We got to get the board to sign off.
Board approval.
What am I signing off on at this point?
Our plan is very clear. We want to get more third-party games. We want to reach out to our manufacturing partners to help us crank up the prices and make more profit.
But you're cranking up the prices. Are you not afraid that people are not going to buy it?
We charge them $100 more. We'll give them an OLED. Well, actually, maybe we'll charge $200 more for it because we'll give it a paint job. Can we get a motion to approve that we're going to make Nintendo better?
Motion to dismantle the company.
No.
You're voting on your thing. I'm voting
Okay.
on my thing. Kinsey's the deciding vote. Dismantle the company and sell it for parts.
Who are we selling the parts to?
Tech bros who think they're going to flip it.
That seems like motion approved. Nintendo, we have
Those
officially...
were my things.
Wait, look, as a group, we have fixed all into this problem.
Yeah, but
It's time.
when it's time to negotiate our contracts, I'm going to remind the board that they approved my plan.
We'll add an extra 0 to what they're paying us. They'll be fine. We, as co-CEOs, are 50-50, except for when it matters, in which I want it to be 51-49. It is time to move on. We're going to resign from our Nintendo position. Let us move on to the more problematic company that we're unfortunately saddled with trying to dig out of the dirt, Xbox. This is going to be a challenge because I've heard that the gamers don't like us anymore.
My motion is to resign and reinstate Phil Spencer.
So your pitch is we just bring Phil back and just let him make all our decisions. Didn't he do that for a long time?
No, my pitch is that we secede from Microsoft.
But we need all their money because we don't make any
because
money.
we're going to be swimming in money when we get the gamers back.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's a great idea. Let's get the gamers back. What are we going to do to get the gamers back? Because I feel like they're upset with us and I don't understand why.
We're going to delete Copilot.
You can do that?
Corporate espionage goes both ways. It can be internal and external.
What Master Cheeks? They love Master Cheeks. What if we put Master Cheeks in more games? We'll put Master Cheeks in Sea of Thieves, Minecraft. We need more Master Cheeks in Minecraft. He's got assets. We've got to sell games, okay? So we're going to put him fully on display.
Honestly, you really sold me on this one. You really turned me around on this one.
You know what? I think everyone's going to be turning around for Master Cheeks, okay? So we'll make a Master Cheeks edition of the Xbox.
Kinsey, butt me. Toss me a butt. God.
Okay.
All right. So this is the new Xbox, and we're going to bring back the disc. Kinsey, disc me. So, I will illustrate using this Garth Brooks CD. I think you all know where I'm going with this. So we'll just slot in there.
So here's the thing, okay? Let's put our serious faces on. Master Cheeks, unfortunately, might not be the answer. The board has brought up some potential issues with this, so we're gonna move on. We need to right the ship on console. I think that's gonna be job 1, 2, and 3. Full court press of consoles people actually want to buy. Okay, we'll build around Zune OS. It'll be a great building point.
Yo, wait. Actually, hold on. All right. Actually, hear me out on this. Zune Phone.
Zune Phone, yes.
That's got an Xbox companion app.
Great. I love it. I love
You
it.
can play mobile versions of your Xbox games. Here's what we're gonna do though. For the new Xbox, we're focusing less on ray tracing and stuff like that.
Ray tracing is so 2020.
Correct. We're bringing back pass-through hardware.
You're gonna be playing your PlayStation anyway, so you might as well just plug it into our box so we can say that you're playing on ours. Okay, yeah, I
So
like
we're bringing back that kind of stuff. We're bringing back the Duke as the standard controller.
Only controller, and we will keep any other controller from functioning on the hardware. Will be locked out.
The Duke will have a screen in the middle of it. Will act as a very small version of the PS Portal. So you can be playing your games while pooping. But the thing is, we're bringing back Game Pass for $9.99. All the same functions. Just getting rid of the Fortnite.
No.
So no V-Bucks.
No, we need
Game
money.
Pass is $9.99.
No.
If the CEO of Costco can tell the board that if they ever raise the price of the hot dog, he will kill them. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a new Call of Duty.
Oh, we haven't done that in a while. Okay.
Instead of just reusing old Call of Duty.
Yep. Okay. But people hate that. People just want to play the same thing over and over again.
That's true. They do.
That's really what
want
people want.
We are going to add more Seth Rogen, and he's just going to be hanging in the middle of the map, and everyone can just shoot him for bonus points.
Great idea. We have Blizzard. We could do something with World of Warcraft. The kids love World of Warcraft. It's just as popular as it was in 2004. What if we make mobile Halo, mobile World of Warcraft, mobile StarCraft? We need what the kids are playing.
Overwatch 3, and we'll actually make more than one female face. I feel like we're the meme of the boardroom meeting, and I'm getting thrown out the window every time.
Every time.
I have an evil plan.
The more evil, the better, because we need profit.
Let's buy Sony.
Yeah. Wait. No, hold on. Wait, how much is Sony? That's probably a lot.
Microsoft can afford it. If we close down just one data center for 3 days,
you can't shut off the
for
AI.
3 days, we can have enough money.
So we just buy out everybody and then we win.
I came up with this strategy while playing a board game Monopoly. Whereas if I just bought all of the spaces, no matter what people rolled, they had to pay me.
Can I just petition for the board for my co-CEO to get at least an extra 0 on his yearly bonus? Maybe 2 zeros, because that was a really good one.
I'm getting a call. The FTC would like to know your location.
Let him know, because we bought the FTC too.
Yeah, let's go, brother! But that seems like a lot of work. Let's just buy everybody.
My other pitch is we dismantle it and sell it for parts.
So it's time to resign our positions at Microsoft. I think we had a good run. Why don't we work on Sony? Because I'll tell you, what a mess. We've got happy customers. We've got hardware sales. This is all terrible. We have to ruin it all so we can rebuild it in a halfway measure so it looks like we actually did something.
I just got across my desk today an offer from Microsoft.
We should immediately prove it. Those Microsoft guys are really clever. I think we should just sell to them. Is there a golden parachute in there? Because I asked for 50 million, but I think I need a little bit more.
Our games are known for their cinematic masterpieces. We should make more movies and television show and not cast Mark Wahlberg.
So which of our PlayStation intellectual property rights should we sell for profit to make
Last of Us the musical.
That seems like an uplifting, happy story.
I will slay the courtesans.
So we'll get a musical division. I'm sure it'll make us tens of dollars a year. Can we get Pedro Pascal and everything? Personal request.
We got Pedro Pascal on retainer, my dude.
Let's go.
He wants to wear his slutty little boots out. Well, we have to say yes.
We should buy some other companies to make our numbers look bigger, and then therefore we did our job.
If we want to actually buy some companies, Square Enix.
Do they make anything anymore?
Yeah, Final Fantasy.
What are you talking? No, you're thinking too small. Can we just buy Fortnite? I think the kids like Fortnite, and we just take it off the other platforms and make it a PlayStation exclusive.
We can't do that because I just resigned as CEO. I have replaced Gaben.
Is that a corporate power grab?
So now that we're in charge of Valve.
But we didn't finish Sony. What are we supposed to tell the Sony ponies who are trying to ride right now?
We're gonna turn them into glue.
Before we finish up, I know you're getting antsy in your pantsy over here because you just want to be on Gaben's yachts. The Sony PlayStation that we need is a PS6, GTA 6. People are gonna play that. We need a PSP 2/3. We kick those Nintendo boys out of this handheld league. We take over. And then we sell ourselves to Microsoft and we cash in our golden parachutes. That's it. So can we get a board approval that I need $3 billion a quarter to make the PS6 and charge $1,000 for it?
$1,000 for it.
The children would love to spend $1,000 on a PlayStation 6 because it could be so freaking cool. So my newly minted ultra capitalist, we are now in charge of Valve. Unfortunately, I did check. The yachts did not come with the job, which is really bullshit, if we're gonna be honest. Because what's the point of being a CEO if you don't have a yacht?
I don't want a yacht. I'm scared of the water like that.
Okay, well, you know what? We get you a land yacht. So,
A house?
we have got ourselves a dumpster fire on our hands. We're only like 70% market share.
So-
This is embarrassing. We need to be at 105% market share. How are we gonna get there?
So we have our summer and winter sales. Now we have our spring and autumn sales.
See, this is why you need the big bucks. We weren't doing a sale every day. We just need to squeeze more profits out of the gamers that we already have. Where are they gonna go? Epic Game Store? Xbox? Valve? We got this good guy image. We gotta be like a little bit more edgy.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. This is the new Steam machine. And the Valve will be...
No. We got this good guy image. It's a real asset.
We make the CSGO knives even rarer.
We make them rare and we charge you every time you use one.
We should be doing this for all war games. If you're
What can-
playing Battlefield and you have a drone strike, you have to pay
You have to pay for the drone.
$17.4 million.
That's it. And then importantly, the Steam Deck, let's be honest, a little bit of a failure. It's not expensive enough. People look at it as if it's a toy. Everyone is charging $1,000 for their hardware. We should be on that same boat. Effective immediately, double the price of the Steam Deck. We'll make more profit and people will look at us more seriously. We're missing one important thing though. We made a lot of profit, right? Valve as a company have tremendously improved the size of Gaben's yachts, but I think we gotta get a little serious about what the real problem is. This Windows thing, it's really annoying. We gotta get people off of Windows. We already have Steam on their systems. Steam can detect. We'll just dig through the error logs, and every time it sort of has like an issue, like if you're Windows PC blue screen or something, we'll just pop you up with like a 2% discount code on a Steam machine. We just need more telemetry, more data. That's the best idea we've had in like 5 minutes. I think we might have just earned ourselves a ride on Gaben's yacht as a happy little treat for making a little bit more money. So if you too want to become a CEO of a company, talk to Matt. I think his job is going to be available soon. Unfortunately, a hostile takeover is coming.
I feel the need to disclaim that this is satire. Like, follow, subscribe. Let us know in the next one.
Did you grow a conscience or something?
The tie makes you evil.
I just understand the ways of business. I understand the ways of profit. And I've been advocating for the little guy for too long. This is way more fun to be an evil asshole. Why didn't you tell me that I could have done this the whole time?
Like, follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.
We should probably not use that.
I don't know what I'm gonna do for a job when this goes away. If I have to wear anything other than jeans and a t-shirt, I think that's a deal breaker for me.